good. I like that one already. Didn't work. It's pretty hype. See, this one just goes really well together. It's not much mess. I love these keys right away. But the hits are always fucked. It's not gonna work at all, watch. These are actually really good. They always come in a little fast or a little slow. They're pretty good. Let's see how we can change the sound. That's pretty good. You gotta come in the right place with that bass. Let's try the guitar back in. It's pretty good. Let's try this bass, add it in. 2 bass lines and 2 drums at all times with me. Yeah, it works. didn't even record the first part, guys. And that splash pad. Then I get to save this. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys how cool this new app is. I kind of like this picture here. So I'm going to save that. I could put a name on it as well, but I didn't because I delete them later. So this is a really cool app. These are the songs I've saved. I don't know what I made like yesterday. I made this last night. This one's really cool too. So yeah, this app can be downloaded by Google Play for any Android. Thanks for watching.